What's up, family? We back with another Space Jam LeBron versus. Hopefully you seen my last video. That was the Roadrunner versus Wile E. Coyote. It's so many I had to think about it for a minute. But today we back with the same box, and this time we have Bugs Bunny versus Marvin the Martian. Jones on the soundtrack. Now, I ain't gonna front. After watching Space Jam, I know it's getting a lot of bad reviews. Got these grown people thinking that the movie's for them, but I think the movie overall was a good movie, especially for kids. Bugs Bunny is and should be the most popular character of the Looney Tunes, right? He's the main one. I mean, he's not everyone's favorite, but he should be like top dog. Marvin the Martian, not too much. And if you've seen Space Jam, you've seen how they treated him in the movie. On first glance, this sneaker looks the same. It's not like the Wile E. Coyote versus Roadrunner joints I showed y'all. This sneaker is almost the same match. It's not too much differences. So, enough talking. Let's get into the review. Unboxing time. What's up, Doc? Y'all see that there? So the right shoe, I guess, is supposed to be the Bugs Bunny shoe. And the only reason you know that is because of the words, "What's up, Doc?" right there. Like I told you, it's not like the Wile E. Coyote versus Roadrunner joints, as both shoes here are similar. You know, with the Wile E. Coyote, one shoe was brown, the other one was like pinkish blue. Roadrunner Coyote, this one is exactly the same. The only difference is on the right shoe you have "What's up, Doc," like I told y'all, and on the left shoe you have "This is making me angry." And again, if you've seen the movie, you know that Marvin the Martian says this after Bugs Bunny steals his ship. Try to get that to focus. Yeah, so again, you had to see the movie to understand most of the shoe, but let's get into it. So this is the right shoe here. You have your regular white shoestrings, lime green and pink tips, you know, Looney Tune colors. I think that's a nice, you know, hit on a regular white rope shoelace, if you ask me. And it blends with the sneaker, as you got a pink swoosh here, and then you got your lime green over there. The back has your LJ LeBron James symbol. It doesn't have the running clouds like the Roadrunner joints, but it's still a little fancy, a little different than your regular LeBron James logo. They kept it OG with the Toon Squad tongue. Those are in the regular colors. In the back of the right shoe you have a carrot, and we all know the carrot is Bugs Bunny. This time your Nike React logo is in pink. You know, all Bugs Bunny with the pink. A lot of pink in this sneaker, as I showed y'all the "What's up, Doc." And mostly all these versus LeBron Looney Tune joints, the bubble is pink. So that's just not for Bugs Bunny. The Sylvesters were also pink, and the Roadrunners were also pink. The bottom also sports that lime green with the black, more pink with the LeBron logo, and the Nike React technology there. In my opinion, I think LeBron should use Nike React technology in some more of his sneakers, so it could look more like a lifestyle shoe than just a basketball shoe. Your Nike swoosh is embedded here. And I can't really play that color. It's like an emerald green maybe. It depends on how you're looking at it. Because it does blend with this green here and the LeBron James logo. As you can see, it's two-tone here like Scarface. And that's the right shoe. Well, let's get into the insoles. They pretty dope. The insoles has Bugs Bunny there. In the Toon Squad colors. I'm so mad I slept on them shorts, man. And them shorts are sold out now. Anybody got to connect on them Toon Squad shorts, hit your boy up. Now let's go check out the left shoe again. Yeah, so the left shoe has the Marvin the Martian right in there, as I told y'all. Oh, and this bubble is actually orange. So they didn't keep the all pink bubble like they did on the Wile E. Coyotes and Road Runners. There's an orange air bubble here. The Nike React is still pink, the same as the right side. Toon Squad logo is the same. This one comes with red shoestrings. Now, I don't see how the red shoestrings are blending in the sneaker, but if you think of Marvin the Martian, you think of gray, black, green, and red. So I get why it's there, but as far as the sneaker, I don't see it blending at all. You only got a little hit of red there. Again, that's to each his own though. And the insoles in this one is also in that OG Toon Squad colorway. But there you go, Marvin the Martian right there. Yeah, man, so these the Bugs Bunny versus Marvin the Martian joints. Believe it or not, I got another versus Space Jam on the way. It should deliver today. If it do, the video will be up tonight or maybe by the morning. You know I gotta wait for the 4K to upload on YouTube. If you're a ShoeTuber or YouTuber period, you know how annoying that is. Give me a thumbs up, man, so YouTube could try to fix that situation. But yeah, these ones is alright. Right now, the Wile E. Coyote versus Roadrunner joints is my favorite because it was more of a mesh up, more of a what the, more of the verses. This sneaker here is the same, but it's Bugs Bunny. So I don't know why they just didn't give Bugs Bunny his own just colorway, period. They didn't really have to versus him. Babs neither. Babs is another popular character. But yeah, man, these is him. My highlight, I love Nike React, very comfortable. I just wish it was more of a mesh up with these sneakers, man. Quick review, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, hit subscribe, man. More fire content on the way. Everybody get rich.